Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be continuing on our Christmas treats, and we're going to make some cookies. We're going to make M&M Pudding Cookies. It's one of our favorite for Christmas. You're going to need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 sticks or 1 cup of butter softened, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar packed, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a box of vanilla instant pudding, 2 eggs, and it says red and green M&Ms. I got just the regular M&Ms and took out the green and the red and the blue because I think Christmas has blue in it too. And we'll get started making these cookies. First thing we're going to do is mix our flour in a separate bowl here, and baking soda and salt. We're going to mix that together and we're going to set that aside. Next, we're going to take our butter, brown sugar, and white sugar. We're going to cream these together for about 1 minute or until it's fluffy. And in between, you'll probably have to scrape down the sides of your bowl. There's my oven. I've got that set to 350. Okay, now we're going to add in the pudding mix, and we're going to mix that in. Next, I'm going to add in the eggs one at a time and beat them. Then I'm going to add in the vanilla. I'm going to scrape down the sides. Now I'm going to start adding in the flour, and then I'm just going to stir it in with the mixer and then add some more. You don't want to stir too much after you add the flour. And of course I'll make a mess too. I'm going to scrape down the sides. Now I'm going to add the M&Ms, and also this calls for 1 cup of white chocolate chips. I usually don't add that, but you all can. Just going to stir this in. Okay, let's get them put on the pan. Okay, I'm going to use a cookie scoop. I'm going to drop these on an ungreased cookie sheet, my well-used cookie sheet. Okay, I'm going to put these in the 350-degree oven for 9 to 11 minutes until they're light brown. Okay, here they are out of the oven. I'm going to let them sit on here for about 5 minutes. I had them in about 10 minutes. I'm going to let them finish cooking, and then we'll put them on the rack, and I'll finish the rest of them, and we'll give them a taste test. Okay, here they all are plated up. Not all of them, but a few. Daniel and Doug, give this batch a try. We've had them before. It's one of our favorites, but give it a try.
Right. Yummy. All you need is a glass of milk.
Delicious.
Cold milk.
Yep. Okay, I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day. And come back and see us.
The snow is falling soft and light. The fire's burning warm and bright. The goats are tucked inside the barn, protected safe from winter's harm. The time we take to share it all with folks like you, and everything we love to do. So thank you for watching, thank you for listening. From the Holmans Homestead, where the Christmas lights are glistening, we appreciate every like and every share. We wish you joy and peace and hope beyond compare. From garden rows to kitchen stoves, and all the past the tractor rows, you tune in daily, week by week, for every lesson that we speak. May your holiday be sweet and slow, wrapped up in ribbons, tied with a bow. Remembering all the blessings found when Christmas cheer is all around. So thank you for watching, thank you for listening. From the Holmans Homestead, where the Christmas lights are glistening, we appreciate every like and every share. We wish you joy and peace and hope beyond compare. Merry Christmas to you, and a Happy New Year too, from all of us here at Holmans Homestead. God bless you.